Next in C, we are going to work with functions and array together. Here, to keep it simple, first of all, we will be saying how to print elements of array using function. So hash include stdio.h, then int main. Here I'm declaring one integer array. Name of that array is arr, and I'm giving it a size of 5, one integer variable I. Now we'll starting a for loop to take input of elements into array. For I equals to 0, semicolon I is less than 5, semicolon I plus plus. And here we'll give message printf \n, enter the value for element, you can say here arr of %t equals to %t, or we can say and enter the value for element %t, comma, you will be printing I, and here scanf within double quotes %t, and here comma arr ampersand arr of I. This way we have taken input of element in our array. Now we have to print this array. For that we will be using function. So I'm creating a function print array, and this function will be taking two arguments. First is array and second is number of elements into an array. So I'm giving array, name of array is arr, and it is taking 5 elements. This is our function call. So after getting this function call, control will come here, print array, and here we have to integer a, that is array, and number of elements into array. For that I'm taking integer n is number of elements into our array. Here I'm taking one more integer variable I for loop. For I equals to 0, semicolon I is less than n, semicolon I plus plus, printf within double quotes percentage \n %t, or we can write it like this, a of %t equals to %t, comma, you are writing I, and a of I. This is a function definition, and as we have written this definition below function main function, so we have here we have to give function prototype. So it will be print array, and here I have to give integer, this is array, comma, again one integer variable, that is will be the size of array. This is function prototype. And this is our function definition. Save it and build it, then run it. Now it is asking me enter the value for element 0. I'm giving 3. Enter the value for 3, 6, 9, 12 and 14. So it is printed at 0 position we have 3, then 1 position we have 6, 9, 12 and 14. So how this program is working, this is our function prototype. As we have defined our function below main function. So we have given function prototype here. Here this is integer array, and here we are giving size of array. For that we have taken integer here. Now we have declared our array of size 5 and taken variable of integer type for loop. And here we have taken input of elements into our array. Here we have given function call. This function call is taking two arguments, name of array and then number of elements into our array. And here it is our function definition. Here we have to give array, and this is number of elements into an array. So this whatever elements we have given in this array will come here, and this 5 will be transferred to n. That means this n is holding 5. Now integer I we have declared, and same way as we have done previously in array, that how to print, this way we have printed array in our array portion. So I equals to 0, I is less than n. It is printing element at first of all it is printing element at 0 position, then it will come up, increase the value of I by 1, it will again check the condition, again it will print element at index position 1, and till it reaches 5 continues to print, and after that program will terminate. So this way we have printed our array elements using function.